Are you looking for an AI engineer, cloud expert, or full stack developer to transform your innovative ideas to real world solutions? You are in the right place. I am Muhammad Zubair, a certified AI engineer and full stack developer with over 8 years of experience. During this time, I have completed more than 67 projects, including HR automation system, RAG-based industrial AI assistant, automated blog writing agent, AI-powered SEO optimizational agent, AI contract writing assistant, insurance customer support assistant. My certifications from Microsoft and other leading platforms reflect a deep commitment to learning and delivering a solution that meet latest technology standards. We are offering the following services. I specialize in artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, and development. Here is a breakdown of what I bring to the table. I have also worked with low-code, no-code platforms like Azure Logic Apps, Zapier, Make.com, N8N, and some more related platforms, helping businesses to automate their workflows and implement AI solutions quickly with less coding. My experience extends to designing and deploying AI agents to advanced orchestration tools and frameworks such as AutoGen, LlamaIndex, LangChain, LangGraph, and Rasa, and some more related tools. These agents can reason, make decisions, and automate tasks. When it comes to advanced machine learning and deep learning, I work with a range of libraries for data preprocessing, model training, evaluation, and fine-tuning. These include Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Hugging Face, Transformers, sklearn. These libraries and frameworks help me to build advanced AI solutions for my clients. As a cloud solution architect, I specialize in designing scalable, secure, and cost-effective cloud infrastructures. I have hands-on experience with Microsoft Azure, including services like Azure Function, Logic Apps, App Services, Storage, Azure AI Foundry, Azure Machine Learning, Cosmos DB, and much more. I deliver full-stack software solutions specializing in backend API development with Flask, Fast API, Django, and .NET MVC. From architecture to deployment, I build secure, scalable, and long-lasting applications. My clients trust me for a reason. Here is what they have said. So what are you waiting for? Let's build the future together.